Hi, this is Trung from Monster Monitors. I'm here filming while doing QC on these monitor stands. I'm checking for the quality. I want to do this training so I can keep it somewhere for better instructional purposes. I want to go over how I fix problems that I find along the way. If this is useful to you, please watch until the end or make a comment down below on how I can improve. So let's begin. First, you have to unwrap the plastic bag from the monitor stand like this. You can unwrap it, or if you don't plan on keeping it, then you can just cut it down the middle and then take it out of the bag and then throw the bag away. So you can hear some rattling in there. That means that some of the bolts are loose, but don't worry, I will help you, and this problem can be easily fixed. So the problem is that the bolt right here on the piece that go up and down is loose. So you can see here there's three pieces. One is the nut, one is the bolt, and then there's like a little plastic holder piece. And this is really important because you can't tighten it without having this. So what you have to do is make sure you put this in the middle and then put the bolts down into it. Make sure it's on the right side. The fastening side, this side should be on the right, on your right, because you're gonna tighten it by turning it to the right. Then next, turn the bolt so that it's secured in the way. And then next, you have to get your hex tool that comes with the kit in order to tighten it and see if it's working. There. Now that's in place. So this will enable you to tighten this round hole toward the pole. I don't have a pole right now because I'm just testing the arm. But normally you just put it in and then you tighten this part so that it doesn't go fall up and down or fall down when you have a lot of weight on the arm. So that's one problem that I saw. Another problem that I saw when I was first opening this is that the arm is too tight, and then I really have to struggle in order to get it anywhere. So what you have to do is make sure you get this hex tool. It's a little bit smaller if you can see it. And then you have to push this up. You have to push it up so that it's like a W, and then start turning it from over here, from pointing towards you, because you have more torque, if that makes sense. Like if you're doing like this, then you don't have a lot of torque, and then you might end up loosening the screw right here, or the bolt, and chipping away the metal so that the tool won't work anymore. So you have to make sure to turn this slowly. Here, let me go out a little bit. You have to turn this slowly. Okay. And then now it's a little loose, so it's a little bit better now than before. Because this arm is a full range arm, so you want to move your monitor in like a full range. And if this is too tight, then you can't do that. So the other side, same problem. You have to make it like a W. And then it pointing towards you. Push down on it. And it loosen it a little bit. So now this arm is full range as well. Now we move next to this piece right here. That seems fine. This piece, okay, that seems fine. The next piece is this mount holder, and an easy way to fix the mount holder, sometimes it's too hard, is to have the mount, and then you just put it in there, and then now you can turn it easier. Make sure you turn it. And then push there. So now this is in the right place. It's sticking up. So this is where you want your monitor mount to go into. Like that. Now you can see that this piece is not lining up. Oh, this piece is lining up now, but if it isn't lining up, you can unscrew this so that it'll go up and down, it'll adjust. And it should fit in this whole piece right there on your mount. If it doesn't, all you have to do is just screw it up and down. Screw it up and down so that it fits. Now this piece is supposed to swing back and forth, and you can see that it's too tight. So you have to loosen this piece, this bolt on top. Point it towards you so that you have a lot more force or torque. And then you're supposed to go left because you're going to tighten it on the right. And then you could hear like a little snap, and now it's loose enough. And then if you have to turn it too much, be sure to take it out and then adjust it back to where it's pointing towards you, because it's a lot easier. I'm not a strong person, so using more torque would help me out in turning these, if that makes sense. Alright, so now it's a lot better than before. So now you can move it back and forth. And then if this piece is too hard, you can loosen it by this bolt right here. I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. We ship it out this way. There. So when you get the monitors, make sure you put this bracket mount on it and then push it down. It's a lot easier. Now we're gonna do the other side. I guess that's it. You don't have to stick around if you don't want to. And that concludes my video. Please give me some comments on how I can do better. I'm always wanting to make these videos so that it'll help my customers out when you receive a package from me. Let me know what else you guys like to see, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.